Hey there, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, bago natin simulan ng reading ninyo, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. And if you feel that this reading is for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT plus watchers, you're all welcome here, mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, let's check, no, energy ninyo, Libra. So, let's see. Expressing angel, guys, like Angel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me something about my Libra, please. This is for Libra. Messages for Libra. Ano ang need nilang malaman? Can you please show me? Libra. Just gathering up all the energies for you guys. Okay. Let's see. Ano bang mga mensahe dito for you, Libra? Oh, Wheel of Fortune is right here. There's luck coming in your way, and I think you've got literally 3. Make a wish, Libra, because I can see that luck is on your side. The universe is telling you this is a major arcana right here. Changes is coming, no? At malaki ang tatlong kinalaman, no, ng mga 3 wishes ninyo sa mga pagbabago rito na mangyayari sa inyong buhay. So, pwedeng yan na may kinalaman sa inyong wishes. Ano man yan? Love life area, love department area, career, finance right here, family, home, personal growth, healing, name it. Okay, so you have luck on your side. You could be seeing a lot of 999, angel numbers 999 or 9s everywhere. This could also be one of the signs. And yeah, we have here the King of Wands coming in for you guys. And wherever this King of Wands right here, I'm picking up that this is you. This is you in the near future right here with the King of Wands. Marami kang responsibilities pero happy ka. You're sitting here in your own throne, yan, no? At nakaano ka pa, no? Naka-4 ka pa rito. It's like marami ka dito inaasikasong business, trabaho, no? Pero money is good. Maganda yung flow ng money. Papasok yun sa'yo. So, meron man rito mga babes na ilalabas ka rito money. I think it's for investment or parang kunwari ganito, what's this? I'm getting inventory yan. Inventory, no? Nang pwedeng na-sell mo na products, items rito, no? Tapos magdadagdag ka pa ng new items if you are selling something or may business ka. There's growth in here. Yan, no? Yung ilalabas mo na money, babalik pa sa yung doble. Taray! And you have lots of responsibilities and I can see yung iba sa inyo, no? Matutulungan ninyo rito talaga yung family ninyo, no? Lalo na kapag kayo ay may problem sa finances, no, or yung family member ninyo ay masing may problem sa finances, no, yung tuition fee ng mga bata, yung mga kailangan nila sa school, no, or baka yung mom mo, no, kailangan ng need, no, financial needs dito, no, you can provide, no, at meron ka pang ibang mapagkukunan dito ng money. See, this is at the center of your reading. Meron ka ditong confidence at masyado ka ritong passionate, no, na magpursige sa pagtatrabaho kasi nakikita mo no, na parang yung swerte, yun yung tawag mo dun, no, yung swerte is nasa tabi mo. So, tama yan, no, this is you na parang ginagrab mo yung opportunity na yun, Libra, yeah. So, this is the right time for you to make that wish. And you've got here someone right beside you. This is someone here specifically na matalino. If this person is not yet in your life, papasok na ito sa buhay ninyo. Pwedeng may pagkamatare siya or parang medyo suplada or suplado, wala tayong gender dito, ang kanyang aura, pero mabait naman. This person could be someone here na tipid or baka when it comes to love, hindi siya ganun ka-open when it comes to his or her feelings and emotions, pero pagka nakilala mo na siya, na makikita mo na meron din siyang soft side. This is someone here na hindi mo mabilis na mapasasagot, no, kung ikaw yung manliligaw sa kanya, no, at hindi mo agad-agad makapapol itong tao na to sa iyo, tayong gender dito, no, pero kung sino man siya, matalino siya, no, and this person right here could be somewhat single na for quite some time. Or pwedeng matagal na siyang single para sa iba, no? Pero, giver, kasi nakikita ko dito na marami siya ritong pinaprioritize. So, pwedeng mahilig din siya sa plants, literal, no? Or this person right here could be someone here na ayaw niya yung nagwe-waste ng time. So, pwedeng yung mga pinagkakaabalahan niya rito is yun yung mga nakikita niya, no, na may interest siyang gawin. Okay? Kunyari, ayaw niya naman ng volleyball, so ba't siya magba-volleyball, no? Mas gusto niya yung tennis, edi doon siya pupunta. Ganon. And this person right here is someone here, no, na hindi lang naman siya rito as in puro aral or puro utak yung pinapairal, kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo may soft side rin siya. Pero maganda sa kanya, no, pagdating sa love, serious siya. Okay? At yung soft side niya, magagamit niya yan kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng relationship. Sa iba nakikita nyo na yun kasi pwedeng ongoing na ito. So, you have partners right here. No? I can see, no, na maganda yung combination ninyong dalawa kasi masipag ka. Tapos matalino, masipag, no. Mas magiging maganda yung future ninyo. Or baka siya na, no, yung isa dun sa hinihintay mo rito na Wheel of Fortune mo kasi you have 3 wishes, diba? Baka siya yung sa love life, no. Matalino ito at hindi to basta-basta nagdedesisyon no, nang hindi yan nag-iisip yan, no. So, pag nag-post yan sa FB, isipin niya muna bago niya i-post agad. Naalala ko na naman yung kay Rendon Labrador. Gretchen Ho interview. Alam niyo yan, diba? Ikaw, paano ka ba pag nagpo-post ka sa social media? Ayan, no? Pinupost mo ba agad o iniisip mo muna? Ako kasi iniisip ko muna bago ko i-post. Ikaw? Ako pinupost ko kagad. Hindi iniisip. So, nag-iisip to mga babes, no? Malayong malayo dun sa klase ng energy na, hindi nag-iisip yung mga gagawin, no? Bago gawin. So, this is someone really smart, intelligent, no? At nakikita ko na successful rin siya pagdating sa kanyang career. Yan, no? Masipag yan. Yeah, and you have another queen right here. See, maybe you have options right here when it comes to love. Why not? Kasi nasa energy ka rito that you have luck on your side. Para sa iba, pwedeng hindi naman ito as in talaga but wait. This is not for everybody, just take how this resonates, no? Pero sa nakikita ko dito, mga babes, no? Pwede kasi na yung iba asawa nyo na to, yung Queen of Wands na to, no? And this Queen of Swords is the another energy coming into your life. And this person could be someone here na magiging hindi magiging third party. Pero pwede kasing siya yung maging business partner, okay, ninyo when it comes to dealing with your other, ang dami mo kasi ritong works and businesses, okay? So, if this is you, for others, this could be, pwede may options kayo when it comes to love. At isa na dyan, yan yung inyong right partner dito. But I can see that both of these are two healthy options because you have 3 lucks right here. So, you do not need to get bothered here. Nakakuha lang kasi ako rito ng energy na parang medyo, kaya parang nagulat ako, no? Kasi parang may nag-flash sa akin. Nakita ko to na parang may biglang, marriage contract, no? Na parang napunit. So, whatever the case may be, maybe someone here, this could be someone from the past coming back right here. Maybe for others, this could be reconciliation. Okay? If this is your asawa before, okay, I can see na magkakaayos kayo kung yun yung wish mo. Okay? Kasi nakita ko rito, if iniisip mo na babalik siya or wini-wish mo, mina-manifest mo na babalik siya, then matutupad yun. Okay? Para siya ritong na, nabalatan na rito, no, ng parang, alam mo yung sa ahas, no, nagpalit na siya rito ng balat, mga babes, no, in a sense na bago na siyang energy. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga pagkakamali niya sa'yo, hinubad niya na rin at talagang pinagsusunog niya na lahat yun. Itinama niya rito, no? As in, nagbago siya rito, kagaya ng kung ano yung winish mo. If that is your case, if you're married, kasi that's somewhat very, very specific and very, very personal. Okay, so let's keep moving. But you have 3 wish right here. Okay? For others of you, you have options right here when it comes to love. And for others, no, you are now connecting here with someone. And yung iba, pwede kasing na kayo mga babes, no? Naka-move on na rin kasi kayo from your mapait na nakaraan. Kaya ready na kayo to connect. happy with other people right here, but you have healthy choices. Yeah, Ten of Cups energy is right here. Nakikita ko rito, no, na kayo ay magbibigay talaga, no, ng mga pangangailangan ng inyong family at sariling ikaw rin, no, sarili mo rin, no, na family, bibigyan mo na rito ng time. Pwedeng ito, no, na mag-iisip ka na to settle down, or naghahanap ka kasi ng marriage type of person, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, makikita mo na yun dito. So, you have healthy options right here when it comes to love, Libra, okay? So, nakikita ko dito for others of you, very specific message lang rin. Maybe we have here LGBTQ friends. Yan, no, you could be really strong here in this reading. Yan, no, kasi meron tayong nakikita ditong same gender na relationship. Okay? But, in general, I'm picking up that this is you. You have lots of luck right here when it comes to your life. And I'm seeing that this is possibly happening right now. And it will continues to happen in the near future right here. Ten of Cups is right here. I can see celebrations, okay, coming your way. Family celebrations, achievements in your work right here, because King of Wands is someone who is a go-getter right here, Libra. I can see that you can have it all. Yeah, you have it all for you. Mapapabili ka dito sa SM kasi may pambili ka naman. Yan, no, taray. So, we have here the strength. Yeah. Alam mo, for others of you, this person here, na pwedeng maging business partner mo yan, napaka-strong ng personality niya. No? Parang kaya niyang ayusin lahat ng magiging problems din sa company or sa business ninyong dalawa, no? Or kung sino man yung magiging partner mo sa company na pinagtatrabahuhan mo, no? This is a power couple. This is a power partnership, no? Sa iba pwedeng hindi ito couple, pero meron dito nakikita ko magiging kasangga ninyo. Matalinong tao to, na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo, no? Na parang lahat ng problema is kaya niya rito ayusin. Napaka-business minded niyang person. At kung sino siya, no, magiging kalakasan niyo siya rito. Yung iba pwede talagang mauwi ito sa love story. Okay? So, you've got someone here na iba yung takbo ng mind niya, no? Talagang pa-success, paangat, no? Hindi yung takbong hihilahin ka pababa. Okay? This is someone new right here. This is a new connection here. Yan, no? For others of you, very specific yung na-mention natin kanina. So, kung kayo ay kasal, no, that is possibly applicable sa inyo. At kung hinihintay nyo pa talaga yung asawa ninyo na bumalik, no, that is somewhat applicable sa inyo. Okay? So, at the bottom of the deck, we have the Eight of Wands. See? Magpapatuloy dito ang success ninyo. See? Paakyat kayo, oh. Lahat ng mga pupuntahan ninyo ay walang iba kundi paitaas lang. Yan. So, you have here lots of busy schedules, busy days right here, and you're happy. See, lahat ito pang linis, no, kung makikita mo. So, ibig sabihin, parang naiisa-ayos mo dito unti-unti yung buhay mo na sa pamamagitan rito ng tatlong kahilingan na ibibigay sa inyo ni Universe. So, wow, Libra, claim all of this, mga may loves. At isipin nyo na, ngayon pa lang, kung ano yung mga wishes ninyo, no? I-recall nyo na yan kasi you might not know kung alin dyan ang mauunang matupad. So, thank you so much, Libra. Sana ngayon love and life. Yan.